In a blink of an eye, the seasons go about their natural course, and here comes winter. It's the season that has a whimsical and magical ring to it, which is perhaps why, for many, it is the most wonderful time of the year. The cold winter weather signifies the beginning of wearing layered clothes, drinking hot cocoa, and gathering around a warm bonfire. It also means that the holidays are fast approaching, Christmas lights begin to glisten, and that familiar holiday spirit lingers in the air. When the snow begins to fall, it creates a wonderful ambience on landscapes, from the breathtaking sight of snow-covered mountain peaks to the majestic frozen lakes. With all those being said, winter can magically transform a place into a complete wonderland that one is unable to see at other times of the year, which makes it a perfect time to travel and explore. Many people might choose to spend wintertime in their hometown. However, if you're looking for the best places to visit during the winter, then this video is perfect for you. Because in today's video, we will be showing you 5 of the best winter destinations to visit and why. Top 5 winter destinations to visit and why. On top 1, we have Lapland in Finland. Located in the northernmost region of Finland, it is best known for its year-round light phenomena and is the true definition of a winter wonderland. For many people, Finland is synonymous with winter, and Christmas here is more than just one day. The temperature in Lapland can range from 0 to -30 degrees Celsius during the winter, and it gets so cold that the pine trees become completely covered in snow. However, if the cold is too much for you to handle, you can always warm up in a Finnish sauna. Rovaniemi is the capital of Lapland, located 4 miles south of the Arctic Circle. It is known and considered to be the official hometown of Santa Claus. Yes, you heard that right, Santa Claus. In addition to that, there are plenty of reindeer farms that you can visit where you can meet, pet, and take sleigh rides. How fun would that be? And if you're lucky, you might be able to see nature's most spectacular and magnificent light show, the Aurora Borealis, or also known as the Northern Lights. If you're intrigued by what Lapland can offer, then you should undoubtedly add it to your list. On top 2, we have the Swiss Alps in Switzerland. Switzerland is known to be a beautiful, landlocked mountainous country on its own, but winter just beautifies it and makes it magical on a whole other level. The Swiss Alps attract many skiers and hikers with its dramatic peaks, which include the famous and iconic Matterhorn that is best known for its almost perfect pyramid shape and is perhaps the most recognizable among the peaks in the Alps. One of the most ideal and enchanting places to spend your winter is in Zermatt, a village tucked away in the Swiss Alps. When people think of this village, they immediately think of the Matterhorn. Why? Because the Matterhorn dominates the skyline that shapes one of the most remarkable landscapes in Europe. Even better, if you're a fan of skiing, Zermatt offers some of the most impressive skiing with a vast terrain where you can hit the slopes. But if you're not a fan of that, you can take a ride up the Gornergrat Railway and have a perfect view of Matterhorn Mountain. It is for sure a worthy winter destination that should be included in your list. In the top 3, we have Bavaria. It is a region located in southern Germany that is best known for its picture-perfect sceneries, and in winter, it offers mystical snow-covered valleys and mountains. It is a great skiing destination. With its powder snow and fun slopes, winter sports fans will certainly enjoy it. The Neuschwanstein Castle is one of the most exquisite places here and is actually the inspiration behind Disney's famous Sleeping Beauty Castle, which makes Bavaria the definition of a real-life fairy tale. Another must-visit area is Berchtesgaden, which is a town located at the base of the Bavarian Alps that is known to be a popular destination for German royal families. If you're a fan of mountain sceneries, the town also offers a magnificent view of Watzmann Mountain. If you want to see Germany's deepest and cleanest lake, then you should definitely consider visiting the town, because located just a couple of miles south of Berchtesgaden, in the Berchtesgaden National Park, is the Königssee Lake. The lake has been claimed to be Germany's most beautiful alpine lake and is one of the most visited destinations in the country. So if you want to experience a fairy tale-like winter, Bavaria should definitely be up on your list. In the top 4, we have Iceland. Iceland appears to be a frozen, winter wonderland that is sure to captivate and mesmerize you with its beautiful snow-covered mountains and pale wintry light. Iceland is particularly renowned for the spectacular light phenomenon, which is the aurora borealis, or the northern lights. But besides the chance of witnessing one of nature's greatest and most splendid displays, Iceland has so much more to offer, such as various winter activities like skiing, dog sledding, snowmobiling, and ice fishing. Believe it or not, you can even walk inside a glacier. Ice caving tours are extremely popular in Iceland and are one of the experiences you can only have during the winter. The most stunning and world-famous black sand beach is found on the south coast of Iceland, Reynisfjara Beach. Some of the beach's highlights are its pitch-black coast dotted with smooth pebbles and stones and perfectly angular basalt columns, sea stacks, and caves. You can also visit the Skogafoss waterfall, which is one of the country's most iconic and visited waterfalls and is known for its beauty and 60-meter drop. Another reason to visit Iceland is its famous Diamond Beach, where iceberg fragments seem to glisten like diamonds against the volcanic black sand. With all of these mind-blowing and breathtaking places mentioned, Iceland is certainly a must-go winter destination if you're looking for fun activities and beautiful sceneries. And last but definitely not least, on our top 5, we have the Dolomites in Italy. Being one of the world's most scenic and jagged mountains, the Dolomites transform into a magical winter playground during winter. If you're into winter adventures and challenges such as skiing, snowshoeing, and ice climbing, then the Dolomites is perfect for you. Its winter landscape offers a stunning backdrop for all the winter activities you wish to do. Not only do you get to have fun, but you can also witness the beautiful sceneries the Dolomites have to offer. The Val Gardena is one of the most stunning towns in the Dolomites, towered over by the massive Lancofia mountain, and is home to one of the best skiing resorts in the Dolomites. So if you're fond of skiing, you should definitely consider visiting here. Another place you must visit is the Lago de Braise, a bright blue mountain lake located in the heart of the Dolomites that freezes during the wintertime and is arguably one of Italy's most captivating and breathtaking lakes. You can also see the iconic stone towers of Tre Cime de Lavaredo, which is the most recognizable mountain group in the Dolomites. Needless to say, if you want to see these stunning landscapes and sceneries for yourself, then you should consider adding the Dolomites to your winter destinations list. That does it for our top 5 winter destinations. You may have noticed that most of the places included in our top 5 are located in Europe. Well, there's a good reason for that. Besides all the wondrous landscapes and fun activities, there are also some perks when you travel to Europe during the winter off-season. Here are some of them. 1. There are smaller crowds. 2. The fares are lower and planes are less crowded. 3. Hotel rates are lower. 4. Mild weather. Another thing to do in Europe during the winter season is to visit the Christmas markets that many major European cities host. As you can see, winter transforms many places into a whimsical winter wonderland and some sceneries we can only see during the winter season. You wouldn't want to miss out on the chance of witnessing firsthand the beauty of winter in these places. So if you're still undecided where you're going in the winter, consider the places we've mentioned in the video and let us know in the comments where the most ideal winter destination is for you. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons to get more videos from us. This has been HTL World. See you in our next video.